So next topic is career opportunities in medical coding. So in this module, what you learn? You'll learn medical coding job roles, average salary of medical coder, uh, या फिर which cities have the most medical coding companies, top medical coding companies, job perks, benefits, promotions, salary hike. Okay, so you'll learn overall everything about the job role of medical coding. Okay, इसमें जितना भी मेडिकल कोड और रिलेटेड जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है लाइक सैलरीज कंपनीज एंड एवरीथिंग यू विल गेट टू नो. Okay, so before that let's understand what is medical coding. Okay, so a lot of people have this misconception that medical coding is related to the IT. Okay, because of the coding word. So coding in the sense यहाँ पे you don't require IT knowledge. ठीक है, so here coding you don't require IT languages such as Java, Python, C++, and all that. Okay, it's not related to the IT. Okay, so in medical coding, so it is like it can be defined. Okay, as so it is a transformation of healthcare information such as diagnosis, procedures, drugs, place of services. Okay, or any kind of any tests, sign and symptoms, everything. Okay, into an alphanumerical codes. Now what is this healthcare information? First is diagnosis, means diseases. Like for example किसी पेशेंट को डायबिटीज है, हाइपरटेंशन है, हाइपोथायराइडिज्म है, क्रोनिक किडनी डिसीज है, हार्ट फेलियर है, सो दिस इज अ डिसीज. या फिर किसी पेशेंट को सर्जरी हुआ है, फॉर एग्जांपल कोरोनरी आर्टरी बाईपास सर्जरी, या फिर किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट हुआ है. ओके, और ड्रग्स. सो कोई भी ड्रग है अगर उसका कुछ एडवर्स इफेक्ट हुआ है या फिर पॉइजनिंग हुआ है, सो ऑल दैट थिंग्स. देन प्लेस ऑफ सर्विस मीन्स पेशेंट को कहाँ पे सर्विस मिला है, कि whether the patient is inpatient admitted or the patient came into emergency department या फिर उसको OPD डिपार्टमेंट में सर्विस दिया है. ओके, सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स और द कोई लैब टेस्ट हुआ है, सो ऑल दिस थिंग इज अ हेल्थ केयर इंफॉर्मेशन. सो ये जो हेल्थ केयर इंफॉर्मेशन है उसको हम ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं इनटू अल्फा न्यूमेरिकल कोड्स. Okay, alpha means alphabetical characters such as A, B, C, D, and numeric means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for example यहाँ पे दिया है डायबिटीज E11.9. सो ये जो डायबिटीज है इसको हम E11.9 एज अ कोड करेंगे. Okay, for example next is COPD, that is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, we'll code it as a J44.9. या फिर हार्ट फेलियर है, we'll code it as I50. या फिर hypertension है, we'll code it as a I10. So these are the medical codes. Okay, now why we are doing this? Okay, so because most of the medical coding is done for the USA, that is American country. So in US, if the government wants to know like how many patients have diabetes, okay, so there will be almost crores of population, so they cannot go manually and check by one patient. Okay, but if they just filter out E11.9, that is one single code. Okay, based upon this code they will get to know like how many patients have diabetes. Okay, or they want to know how many patients is having high blood pressure or hypertension, so they can just filter out one code. So based upon one code, सिर्फ एक कोड के बेस पे they will get a patient healthcare information. Okay, and they can reimburse that patient, they can reimburse the doctor, they can give uh, uh, money to the patient or the provider or doctor. Okay, so that is the basic use of medical coding. Okay, we will see in detail later on what is medical coding. There are different terminologies and all. So there are different job roles in medical coding. First, initial level, entry level, it's called as a junior medical coder. Okay, so as a fresher, if you join medical coding, so you'll be having junior medical coder or trainee medical coder. Okay, position. Next is the senior medical coder, so it generally requires 1 to 2+ years of experience. Okay, then there is a QA, quality analyst or auditor. Okay, so what does the QA? So generally जो भी कोड्स मेडिकल कोडर्स ने असाइन किए है, so they will check that codes. okay, whether ये that code is correct or incorrect. ठीक है, so that is the job role of QA. Then there is SMEs and trainers. Okay, so these trainers and subject matter experts, so these are uh, high quality like professionals, like maybe 3-4 years of experience. So they know almost lot of guidelines, they have good amount of experience, they have worked in different projects. ठीक है, सो उनको पता है कि कौन से कोड्स के साथ कौन सा कोड नहीं करना है, या फिर व्हाट इज द करेक्ट कोडिंग गाइडलाइन. देन नेक्स्ट इज अ ग्रुप कोच और टीम लीडर्स. सो दे विल हैंडल अ टीम ऑफ कोडर्स. ठीक है, सो अगर कोई भी टीम लीडर है, सो in that team there may be like 10, 20, 30 coders under one team leader. And then there are assistant managers, and then operations heads and everything. Okay, so these are the basic job roles. Okay, next is salary for freshers. So for non certified freshers, first we'll see. So अगर let's say आपने बी फार्म किया है, एम फार्म किया है, या फिर बी एस सी एम एस सी कुछ किया है, so generally these jobs are difficult to get as a fresher. Okay, so it can be earning a minimum like 15 to 20K per month, but most of the companies hire only certified freshers. ठीक है, सो जिनको ऑलरेडी मेडिकल कोडिंग के बारे में पता है, या फिर दे आर ऑलरेडी CPC सर्टिफाइड. ओके, सो दे विल बी प्रिफर्ड मोर. ओके, सो उसका जो सैलरी रेंज है अराउंड फॉर इंडियन नॉर्मल कंपनीज लाइक अराउंड 20 to 25K per month. Okay, is the salary. And if you are working in MNC company, so it is around 25,000 to 35,000 per month. Okay, that is the basic salary for the freshers. So that's why companies prefer certified freshers more or non-certified freshers. Now why is that? Because जो US clients है, they will not give the individual login for that particular employee अगर that employee certified नहीं है. सो उस एम्प्लॉय का लॉगिन ही नहीं मिलेगा लाइक पर्टिकुलर क्लाइंट या प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. So that's why most of the companies prefer only certified candidates. Now what is CPC and all, we will learn it later, like in detail. Next, experienced candidates like earn around like अगर 1 year plus experience है like 25 to 35K, 2 years plus experience they around get around 35 to 50,000. 3 years experienced candidates get around 40,000 to 60,000. 4 years 50,000 to 70,000, and 5 years they get anywhere around 70,000 to 1 lakh per month. And in some cases, in some specialties, अगर किसी को 5+ years का experience है, they might also get 1.5 lakhs, okay, per month as well. Okay, that is based upon the specialty and company. Okay, so again, what is specialty, we will learn it. Okay, next slides. Next, so also there are different roles like team leads, managers. For them the salary is different, so based upon their experience they will get these salaries. Okay, so most of the cities with medical coding companies are like Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Noida, Kerala. Okay, and also in if you look at Maharashtra, there are most of the companies at Pune, Mumbai, some are at Sambhajinagar and Nagpur. Okay, but most of the companies are situated in Pune and Mumbai. Okay, so that is the career opportunities in medical coding. Okay, and the if you look at the scope and everything, okay, so it's good as compared to other fields. All right, so most of the medical coders, like, they have good salaries. Okay, if they are in a good company and good specialty. So thank you for this module. So in next module we will see the next topic. Okay, thank you.